Hello everyone, E-Doe Gavish here with Century 21 Gavish Real Estate in the fabulous Las Vegas, Nevada. So the most common question I received recently, or since we've started with the social distancing and everybody staying at home, is how do I manage my new life, my new work at home? Because quite frankly, it's new to most of us. So what are you doing? When are you going up? Are you getting ready and going and sitting in your laptop with your laptop on the couch? Not necessarily the best place. Couch is for Netflix and chill. What about in bed? Are you laying down in bed or sitting in bed with your laptop and that's where you're trying to conduct business? That's not what the bed is for. So I think that it's best at a chair, at a table. So I sit in the front courtyard, I sit in the back courtyard, I sit at the dining room table, I sit in my office. You gotta find new places to go around the house. We're all going a bit stir crazy. But keeping a schedule is very, very important. You need to wake up when you say you're going to wake up. Shower, get dressed, get ready for the day as though you're going to conquer it. Make yourself a list. It's so easy to get so overwhelmed with all the things that we've got going on in life. Just make a list. I find myself often getting overwhelmed for all the things we've got going on, and that's when I have to remind myself to go back to the basics. Make a list. Prioritize that list and be okay knowing that the sun is rising tomorrow and we can attack the rest of the list tomorrow. It's not a one and done thing. I hope this helps you because the goal is to get through this together. Remember, I'm here to help. Feel free to reach out, sell, email, text, whatever you're comfortable with. I'm here to help you and guide you through this. Good luck.